Voiced TH sounds often get confused with several other consonant sounds. For instance, the letter Z. Can you hear a difference between Z and th? Let's compare these now more closely with some words. Again, we're going to be practicing using our new form of the TH, keeping that contact away from your top front tooth. Bathe, 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 wither, wizard, wither, wizard, then, zen, then, zen. Then wizards bathed in the bays. Then wizards bathed in the bays. These THs can also be confused with D sounds like a bathe, 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 bade, then, den, then, den, lay, day, lay, day. They bathed their dogs that day. They bathed their dogs that day. You also want to watch out for your voiced TH sounds at the ends of words to make sure that your throat is vibrating. A lot of times my students think they're saying the, but they're actually saying th. Bathe, bathe, soothe, soothe, breathe, breathe, loathe, loathe. It can soothe your nerves to breathe. But what exactly is the difference between breathe and breath? Well, take a look at day 3.